I got a great feeling. Great feeling. We're going to catch a banger today, everybody. All right, there we go. What's up, Jay Quinn? What's up, Franco? What's up, Mikey? What's up, WT? What's up, Eric? G Puck, Irish River, Tyler, White Tiger, J Dizzle, my nizzle, extra salt on the frizzle, Dr. Pepper, my brother. Another for your mother, double super size, and don't forget the fries. Does anyone know what that's from? Did anyone hear the Big Mac song back in the day? All right, someone here has to have heard the Big Mac song back in the day. I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Don't be San Fran, no seeds on the bun would be up in this drive-through. Order for the two. I got a craving for them and I like my shoe. That shit was viral back in the day. All right, let's get it. Let's get to the money. Let's get people that are just joining Team Bowl. They're probably like, what did I just join? What did I just join? Will you be entering a short? I mean, it's possible. It's definitely an option. It's certainly on the table. No one else is talking, right? Greg, Grizzly Glock, Gleg. Greg. All right, there we go. Grilled or crispy? It's got to be grilled. Got to be grilled. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes till open. 2 minutes till open. What is my bias today? What is my daily bias? That's a good question. Let's see. Well, I think I naturally got to be looking in terms of the indices. We didn't have NFP this morning, huh? They didn't release NFP because market was the government's closed. Damn. What is Grandma saying? Are they gonna release? I don't think they're gonna release PMI. Maybe. I don't think they're releasing data. Can anyone confirm?
Hello?
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 We have a question.
What?
So you went short before, then you went long. The market went down aggressively to start, then up aggressively afterwards yesterday. What are we doing today? Are we going with the longs or are we going with the shorts?
Shorts.
We're going with the shorts today. Grandma likes the shorts. All right, your word's in.
All right, dude.
Your pick. All right. Love you. Bye. Bye. Donna said shorts at 145, and she top ticking so far. Let's go. Let's get it, Grandma. Grandma likes the shorts. We'll see how it ends up playing out. We got Grandma short in the 140s. Grandma wants implied bottom. That's what Grandma wants. We got Graham and the Lamb short for the day. Grandma's in. Grandma's in the shorts, guys. Grandma's short at 145. Look. 145-ish. It just feels right. You know, I hope that she's right. If she's not, telling her no, Christmas is going to be a little less this year. Grandma gets... How much drawdown does Grandma get? I think Grandma gets like 30 points of drawdown. So 45, 55, 65, 7. What's up, Grizzly Glock? Grandma went short. But she's in a bit of drawdown right now. She had a nice move from 45 to 20, but she's in a bit of drawdown right now. It's not the same background noise as you used to have when you first joined Team Bowl. Remember that? Construction. Oh, shit. We got Greg and Grandma. We got Greg and Grandma going in the shorts. We got Greg and Grandma in shorts. That's what I'm talking about. I actually don't hate that either. Sweep up and then get a move down. Oh, we didn't have any NFP. Good morning, everybody on YouTube and TikTok. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure if you haven't already, you tap in, hit that like button if you're on YouTube. How many people we got so far? We got almost 300 people, and we got like 20 likes. Come on, let's get those numbers up, get that good karma flowing, get that discipline over dopamine moving, and let's go. Greg is short. If you're on TikTok, make sure y'all tap on that screen and make sure, of course, you guys are all registered for my 3-day free masterclass this coming Monday. The masterclass starts this Monday, and it's going to change a lot of traders' lives. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The link is in the YouTube description. If you're trading evals, trading with prop firms, make sure you guys use code Jdun, code JDUN for the best possible discount. And I'm going to do my best to help you guys learn, level up, and win, get funded, get paid out, and move on. How to register. The link's on YouTube. Jdun Trades. I'm live there too. If you guys go to your app and type in Jdun Trades, you'll see. Grandma's got a 30-point stop on her trade. She'll be 4 for 5 if she loses. How dare you have an 80% win rate? What you got planned for this weekend, Grizzly? Your dog? Oh, it's your daughter. It's your daughter. Fish tank, huh? Do you still have a turtle? That's cool. We had turtles growing up too. Damn, Brandon tried longs at the bottom. That's cool. Or early this morning, pre-market. Attaboy. You don't think you've what? All right. Let's see what the NASDAQ wants to give us today. What does the NASDAQ want to give us today? Hey, guess what Mr. Gene did, everybody? He's not here yet. So one thing he did, he slept, but guess what he actually did? He just locked in a $5,000 payout from Top Step. Yep, another payout. He's been making like 5, 10K a month in payouts. Closer to the 5 to 7K range, but still. Yes, sir. Mr. Gene, the in-person mentee with another 5K payout. These prop firms don't know what to do. Top Step sweating. You can't stop the train. Yeah, I was super proud of him. I got to help him fill out his all his stuff today for Top Step. That would change my life. I need 5K. Well, let's go. Oh, no. Grandma's got 15 points of breathing room. Da, 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 da. What are we looking for? I'm not really entirely sure right now. I'm not super confident in today's action. We missed NFP because the government's closed. Why do we have the NASDAQ up twice? I can't let you go. Longs are looking a bit juicy. Longs are looking a little bit juicy. Grizzly, you see, Umar had himself quite the trading month in September. He had quite the trading month. First day unfunded, locked in 1436. 6 more days. I need this. All right, Master Nuts, brother. What a name. That's very A+ for creativity. Master Nuts, brother. All right, Master Nuts. I need you to master your discipline and have some nuts and the ability to not take more silly impulse trades. Also, yeah, be careful on size. The best way to get a payout is base hits. Holy crap, NVIDIA's at 190. Damn, NVIDIA's at 190. Team Bowl. Have you sold any, Grizzly? I haven't sold shit. I'm holding forever. I'm never selling. Joe, let's go. 3K payout confirmed from Top Step today. Let's go. Damn, Greg, they just did you dirty as heck. You thought Grandma wasn't going to be right? Grandma ain't getting stopped out. Are you kidding me? Grandma's got the crystal ball. Come on, Grandma wants low today. I think with Grandma's 30-point stop, you need at least a 30. We need at least a 30-point move to consider it a win. So 45, 35, 25, 15. We are about $1 away from a 1-to-1. Grandma wants 115. Uh-oh, 1-to-1 this hit for Grandma. 113. She wants lower, though. I think she wants 100 or lower. Damn. 1-to-1 confirmed. A 30-point stop never hit. And it went 30 points up. Just saying. I think we got to count that as a Grandma win, don't we, Team Bull? I mean, technically speaking, at 1-to-1, I think we got to count it as a dub. I'm looking for shorts. I mean, it depends on this candle closes, but yeah. Only way I'd look at longs if we built some base above the 15-minute high, and I'd like to target London high, pre-market high. I think that's got to be a win for Grandma. I mean, technically, it's not massive so far, but something. Damn, my Robinhood is booming. Wow. If we're just hanging out, whenever we have a 15-minute orb between our pre-market high and low, it's just a little, and it's tight. It's a little more, you gotta be a little more careful. We'll see what they give us. We'll see what they give us. Team Bull, remember to choose discipline over dopamine today. Let's end the week strong with good trading practices, with discipline, with focus, and with patience. All right, no data today. We get no data today. I don't think. Old Grizzly, that 140. This is the area if we do get it. What do you say, Greg? Technically speaking, if we're going to reject somewhere inside the 15-minute high and low, it's in here. Your just risk would be if you take a reject around 140s, you'd have to have risk about 26 points up to 166. Stay in pay. I mean, I like shorts. I don't love them. I'm gonna test a small piece of shorts up here with a 20-point stop. It might be a silly trade. I'm gonna go light, so not putting on full risk here. We're at the 50% retracement area, around 145-ish. Worst case scenario is a 20-point stop up here, so it's pretty small. If we build and hold above this 50% and close this candle strong, we'll just stop early. But worst case scenario is 21-point stop here. Which might get hit in less than a minute. That's just wonderful. We'll see. If that doesn't work, if we get some sort of build above this 166, then I'll look for a trend entry to the upside to target pre-market highs. That's the only other option I see is in terms of longs. I do have hard stops in above that previous 5-minute candle high, though. So only like 21 points of risk. Only about 5 hundo worth of risk. So not too bad. It's not necessarily looking great, especially if we close this 5-minute up here above this 50% retracement. It's not what I want to see, so we'll see. We're back just around break even right here. I'm keeping my plan in place, though. My hard stops are set. I'm chilling. This is why I don't like trading without 5-minute candle closures. I mean, sometimes you'll catch a nice 50% midline failure, but a lot of times you just chop in this area. I'm actually going to move my stops down to 50, 58. So it's only a 13 point or 58, 59, excuse me. So now it's only a 14-point risk trade. So if we break above this high, we likely go above 66. So took a few more points of risk off in terms of my hard stop. We close that 5-minute above those levels. So if we go to 59, I'll get stopped out for 14 points instead of 21 points. It's back at break even here. There we go. There's a few points. Let's see if we can get. I might trim it. What? I hope so. Below 25. I need below 30, actually, technically speaking, to trim with the new risk. But my hard stops are in above this previous 5-minute candle high. So 59. It's a break even. If you don't like it, just cut it at break even. Tom, where is Gene? Where's Sleeping Beauty at? Dude, he loves trading Asia, bro. That kid loves trading Asia. To break even, guys, I don't love this setup. I don't like that we close there. I'm going to keep my plan stops because it's such a little risk. But it's not looking great as far as the reaction that you want to see. It's tickling my stop loss. It's tickling it. It's tickling it. I'm still in. My biggest risk is only around like 300 some dollars ish. Come on, push it down now. In terms of a 5-minute chart, we're bouncing off that previous 50% retracement and we're making a higher low. So that honestly, it doesn't look great. But we haven't hit my hard stop yet, so. Oh, it just got it. It just hit my hard stop there at 59. 325. $325. Sorry, guys. Thought they might give us a little rejection of that 50% retracement. Good management though so far. I mean, I figured if we broke above that 5-minute high, we'd go to our high of day, and that's what we did so far. Now we wait. Now we wait. Oh my gosh, you know, to stop and get a pumpkin spice latte. Had to get a PSL. That's wild. Hey, Granny's still in her shorts. Wow, if they really went up to that 59 and just wicked me only to die, I'm going to be salty. Literally, same thing, bro. Guys, I just got a great notification on my phone that I cannot tell you right now, but just know you're going to find out very soon. I've been speaking about it, and it's finally confirmed. I don't want to talk about it. Downside, I hit my stop there, but on the bright side, I just got an enormous approval email. It's going to be a good weekend, I'll tell you that much. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, it's literally the second I stopped out of that 752, we got an approval email. Why do these shorts look so good? This is 5-minute candle. It's 166, 55. Hey, Grandma's still in. Nana's still in. She never hit her 175. I should have followed her trading plan. Bro. This is literally the exact move I wanted. Wow, we got that move down to 115. My grandma done this, used me as liquidity. That's messed up. That's messed up. And now we're getting the move down. Wow. Grandma with the killer low day. I can't believe they just did that to me, bro. Grandma told me, I listened to the shorts. I just had my stop I choked my stop out. Honestly, it wasn't even that tight. It would have been stopped out of my original stop too. It would have been stopped out above that 66 by literally a point. Petition to have grandma replace Jdun. I can't believe that, dude. I cannot believe they just did that. Right idea. Just honestly, I can't even say wrong management because it would have stopped me out regardless. That was just dirty. Let's see here. I don't average down, not unless it's part of the plan. I only average down if it's a part of my plan to add. I don't ever average down just because I'm in a losing trade. It's a very, very, very dangerous habit to get into. All right. Wow. Wow. Grandma with another winner. Grandma's stop was 30 points. Never got hit. Just saying. I'm done taking my own trades. I'm just letting grandma trade for me. Wow. I too shorted, but I can't stop. I can't stop. Don't. If we get a close down here, I'll look for a pop up for shorts again. If it just whips us around in that 15-minute range, then I'll just I don't know what I'll do. Something. I'll do something. Just a matter of what. Bounce coming, not how I trade. I could. I mean, we're at a whole site number 25,100. I can't believe it just did that to me, bro. I can't believe that. That is foul. That is absolutely savage. $115, $138. I can't stop. I can't stop. Don't. Wow, guys. Oh, that one hurts. Grandma's catching a bag. Per usual, grandma catches a bag. I got wicked out of that position. I cannot believe that. I literally can't believe that. Unreal. Absolutely unfathomably insane. Where's that previous day area of interest too? You see anything you like, Grizzly? I can't believe that. That's foul. That is dirty. I had the right idea, which I'm happy about, but let's see if we get a retest back up near pre-market high. I don't really have any want to try to chase lows, but we get a retest back up into this area. I like it for shorts with stops above like 138. Not sure we're gonna get that retest though. That's the problem. Not sure they're gonna give us that retest. Uh-oh, Mr. Jean's here. Let's see here what we get. As a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you tap in at that follow button. We win, lose, and draw together, everybody. If you're on YouTube, I appreciate you hitting that subscribe. And if you're on TikTok, I recommend you guys tap into the YouTube as well. You get full screen share and all the benefits of this, but a bigger screen and all of my exact insights. You looking for a push up for shorts? That's what I like too. What's up, Gene? I don't want to talk about it, bro. I was in shorts at 45 and it wicked me out right here.
At the top?
I don't want to talk about it, bro. I don't want to talk about it. Bro's feeling himself on that payout. You getting your pumpkin spice latte.
Not me.
Not you.
It's a cold brew. But we call it a latte. Nice day today.
It is a nice day. It's beautiful out. I'm looking at the shorts too. Look at that low day. Got low day out of that, Mr. Greg. I want us to go a little higher. Damn, my boy. Oh, boy, Mr. Greg. I can't believe they did that to my position, bro. I really can't believe that. I can't believe they did that to me. Grandma's about to get her mega trade, though. Another 100-point trade for Grandma. 30 point. Yeah, she said shorts at 145 with a 30-point stop. That's what we decided. She said shorts today. Literally market open. Yeah, SPY is right in the middle of its range. Oh me, oh my. I'd love to see us move back up to that 100 area. That'd be great. I'd love to see it. You trading today, Gene?
Yeah, you also.
You see my text?
Yeah. To the group.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Don't know. Don't know. Well, this will be a good trade recap today if I don't end up taking anything else. How I got wicked out for 1 point. Or not 1 point, but my original stop 1 point. And then proceeded to watch it move. Like 100 points.
So let's see if we can take this daily levels to 36 point now. Now we're turning
What is my entry model? My entry model is manage risk and get money. And not get wicked out by a point. You'll close what?
Last chance. No, I will close. Last runners. Okay, runners close. That's it. For quick trade. Practically everything.
Attaboy. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to choose discipline over dopamine here. Let's see if we can get a move into this zone for shorts. Granted, we don't get some reversal sign here. I'm not counting that out for today. All right, let's see. You said FFF max payout 1750. That's fine. Spies on the screen. Stop crying. I shouldn't move my stop. I'm going to keep crying. I'm going to keep crying. Appreciate y'all being here on YouTube. As a reminder, make sure you guys have all tapped in and saved your seat for my free 3-day masterclass. It's right below. It's in the description. All you got to do is click that, get your name on the list, and let's go. Starts on Monday. All right, let's see.
Shall we take another trade? What do you think?
I'm watching for it.
Shall we say that? Oh yeah, what? Just to go against to stay.
I'm starting to light size of shorts up here again, guys.
Just mitigate for our range.
Started to light size of shorts up here. I'm trying it. I'm scalping it on my top steps, and I'm holding it on my live. So you guys know. I'm going to scalp that on my top step. I'm holding it on my live. The shorts. Yep.
I left room to add to mine though. The break above that 25,100, 25,100.
5, 5. I have an emergency stop in 30 points up at 125, just in case we got some Hulk candle. So far, so good, though. There we go. I did scalp this for profit on my top steps, guys. So you guys know. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and take a small trim down here because it's Friday. We got the government shutdown. I took a small trim down here. I'd like to see for a solid RR trade, I'd like to see a low a day. Come on, move down further. I did trim down here 80, guys, so you guys know. I'm going to go ahead and put my stops at near break even to at 100. I'd like to see this candle keep continuing down. I think we really can. This looks like a great setup. We rejected pre-market low, and now we're moving. Let's see if we can get some continuation below 80. There we go. Come on. Push us down to 70s. There we go. Yep, my stops are at break even, everybody. Stops are officially at break even. Let's see if we can get low. Let's see if we can get low a day out of this. Come on. These market makers thought they were going to end Jdun on a red day. Yeah, right. Ooh, that's a good candle for our position, too. Stops are at break even, so risk-free trade. Let's see if we can get some continuation to the downside. Nearly 30 points so far. Well, not 30 points. Not about 20. What a nice setup and trade. Did he? Brandon GD and Jdun took it. I know Grizzly took that too. You were about to say it, then I said it. Grizzly. Look at us. Team bonding. Team bondage. Wait, what? What'd you say, Gene? Well, so far we're gonna end the day green on both accounts. I scalped my top step funded early, and got a nice solid trim on the live too. I'd like to see a bigger move out of this shorts move down. Just so you guys are aware. I'd like to see a low day out of this. The shirt's coming off on the live if we get low day. I'll tell you that right now. J strips. Tell you all that right now. How do I gain patience? Well, a good start, NASA, is joining this live every day. Hitting that follow button and just coming and trading with me. I mean, you can ask around. Don't take this from me. Does trading with me every day help you guys stay patient? You tell me. Does joining this live stream help you stay disciplined and patient? Come on, let's go lower. That's what I gotta say. Just join in, tap in at that follow button, and come hang out. Come have a good time. We laugh, we smile, we make some money. Jay Strips. Put me on the poll, baby. I'll get on the poll. If we get 25,000 out of this, I swear I'll get on the poll, bro. Gene, Amazon, poll. I'm getting on. I'll do it for a 100-point move. Come on. Bro, we get 25,000, I'm getting on the poll. I'm letting you know that right now. Don't know what that means? Well, use your imagination. Actually, don't. I don't want any of y'all thinking about that. Never mind. I retract my statement. Don't need to tell me I dream about that. What? What? These memes. Y'all are absolutely ridiculous. My intrusive thoughts are winning. My intrusive thoughts win quite a bit. Again, guys, stop, start, break even. I'd like to see low day out of this. Come on. Let's go.
There you go. Good job, Mr. Jacob.
Taking off a little more here at 60, guys. I didn't get filled. Dang, I didn't get a great fill in that. All right, whatever. Final runners here. I want low a day. Stop still at break even. Come on. Come on. How can I learn the basic stuff? I recommend you join my free 3-day webinar this coming Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It will be hosted by me each night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you'd like access, you can DM me on IG. My Instagram is JDUN Trades. Send me a message and mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free 3-day webinar. That's the only place I answer DMs. If you don't got IG, you can also find the link on my YouTube live. I'm live on YouTube right now, Jdun Trades, every morning. You just helped me get my first funded. Let's effing go. Let's go. Woo! That gets me hyped. We're taking off the jacket, baby. I know they say no guns on live, but sorry, TikTok. I got 2 of them right here, baby. Woo! Come on. We're making some money today. We got to keep the vibes high. Energy stays high here. Welcome to the gun show. Hey, Vinny, you I know you like that, Vinny. Oh man. All right. People just joining are probably like, what the heck is wrong with this guy? This guy has serious issues, and you're not wrong. I mean, we got some things going on, but we have a good time. Market is not dumping. What do you mean? We got an entry near 100 and we went down to 60. Is a 30, 40 point trade not enough? I'm out of this trade. I'm out of this trade. 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 All out 500 profit for the day. That's awesome. I got stopped out of that trade, guys. Ended the week green, and I got my biggest payout ever has officially been approved. I got the email right after I got stopped out of that first trade. You get your biggest payout too, huh? You've had a lot of 2, 3K ones,
Yeah.
even 4K.
Which are fine.
Yep. Yep. Gene got a $5,000 payout, and I got something.
You got $5.
I got $5. Yeah, I got $5.
You got the case payout.
I want it. I need y'all to. I need y'all to get the ones out. Start throwing them.
We're gonna go to Blackhawk and put all my payout on red.
Should we? We should go put my whole payout on red.
Dude, that'd be crazy.
That'd be great. Watch us sweep that 100, then move down. Which firm is giving you your biggest payout? I recommend taking the payout you can get. I don't like the idea of building a bigger buffer. I was just telling Gene that. Because Gene wanted to get an even bigger payout. I said, bro, you're taking your maximum. I don't give a damn. What? Greg's in the shorts? Greg's in the shorts. It actually does look good.
Zero eight two. My entry. Stop losses. 103.
Well, I think I don't even know what I like now. I think what is the balance? Down to around that 25,000 if we get done this. That trade put me at 1,600 on the day.
Take it slow, homie.
Great week trading, Jdun, right?
It was a great week. It was a great week, bro.
Any plans for the weekend, Jdun?
Not really, just hanging.
Some steak today, though, right?
Oh, we're having steak today.
somewhere, lock in some payouts or make some money. See you on Monday.
Okay, man. Have a great weekend.
Don't. We getting the reversal now? That's the question. Don't. I don't think so. Failure pre-market high 3 times. Let's see if we keep moving down. Yeah, they are diverging, huh? ES is at the highs and SPY's at the highs, and NQ and the Qs are near the lows. Very interesting. As a reminder, guys, if you're looking to become a funded trader, make sure you guys are using code JDUN. Code JDUN. You get 80% off Apex and payout protection. So if there's any issues with your payout, use code JDUN. I'm going to get it solved for you. You get 80% off, and you can trade up to 20 accounts at a time with 1-day pass. Use code JDUN with Apex for 80% off. Use code JDUN with Tradeify for 35% off. Alpha Futures for 10% off. And FFF for up to 50% off. I don't have a course. I have a mentorship, but I don't really talk about it much. What I recommend for you is $0.0. All I ask is you tap in and join my free 3-day masterclass starting this Monday. Let's go. Let's go. Where can I join that masterclass? You can DM me on Instagram for the link. Well, welcome, Jared. Make sure you hit that follow button. Welcome to the team, bro. You can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. There's 267K followers. It's the only place I answer DMs. Or you can go on the YouTube. You can go on the YouTube as well. Appreciate the follow, bro. Genuinely. You can go on the YouTube, and down in the description, there's the link is there. What do you mean the link on the YouTube is broken? It shouldn't be. Oh, it is broken. Whoops. Why is it broken in the description? Whoops. You're right. Here. I'll pin it in the comments. Save your seat. 3-day masterclass starts Monday. There we go. I just posted it in the comments on YouTube, and I will also pin it. Yeah, if you look me up on YouTube, TikTok, you'll find it. Just go to your YouTube search bar and type in JDUN Trades. I go live there every morning too. We got a great crowd. We have like 500-600 people at a time usually. Yeah, woo! It's a good day. I got my biggest payout ever approved by far. Biggest payout ever approved by far, and Gene got his biggest payout too. I seen a few people in Team Bowl getting paid out. We had a few payouts in Team Bowl. Beyond Gene and I. Let's see here. Another day over 150 an account on a Top Step, Gene. Yep, 166 an account. I just scalped that move. Yep, 166, not bad. It's times 5 accounts though. You know, that's $800. So payout wise, I made $400 Top Step. As long as I can not fumble it. What am I? Am I 2 days or 1 day away from another? I think I'm 2 days away from another payout, right? 2 more days. Well, Monday won't be it because I have risk off on Mondays. So Tuesday and Wednesday, hopefully next week, if I can catch some good trades, I'll qualify for another 5K payout. My balance is at 1770 per account. So if I get 2 more days of 150, that puts me at 2K an account, which means I can withdraw 50% of that for 5 accounts. And that's another 5 rack payout. I stand by the phrase completely, or by my statement that you trade much better when you don't need the money. That's why I never recommend people to quit their job to trade. Like, for example, these prop firms, I don't need this money. I'm just trading it because I want to prove I can get payouts, and I enjoy it, and they just start coming. When you just trade your plan and you don't blow up and you don't have emotion, you just do what you do best and trade. Oh, we got the mic on. Life got crazy. TikTok. If you're new here, make sure you take 2 seconds and hit that follow button. Kyle, I appreciate the follow. I trade live every day, and I help you learn how to trade, get funded, and get paid out. If that's what you're looking for, if you want to open your social media and get value and learn and make money potentially, then you're on the right live stream. Your algorithm has directed you to the right place. Kettler Trades, I appreciate you, bro. Welcome to the live. Made you nice for you, but for life got crazy. If y'all got it, make sure you guys post your gains too. I love seeing them. Please post your gains. If you guys have them, payouts especially. I've seen a lot of y'all getting payouts too. I love seeing y'all post them inside the Discord. 20 in the tank and the pepper full of change, and the minute she lasts for you. Just subscribe to your YouTube. Thank you so much, Beat the Gods Burton. That means a lot. Thank you very much. It is never taken for granted. Each one of you guys that follows on TikTok and subscribes on YouTube, it means a lot. You guys just using your valuable morning time to come learn with me means more than I can tell you. I do my best to give you guys the best trades and best education every day. You guys understand why I took that trade, right? Does everyone understand why I took that trade earlier? I'm going to explain it to you anyway. So we're going to break it down. If you'd like to see the trade breakdown and you're on TikTok, you need to go over to YouTube right now. You won't be able to see on the TikTok screen. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's where you'll find the trade recap. I'm going to start in like 1 minute. I'm going to recap that winning trade, what we saw, and what the system said. So if you want to see that trade recap in the full screen, go to YouTube, type in Jdun Trades, and join the live. Make sure you guys subscribe too. Please. Real-time education. Yeah. You trading, Gene?
Yeah, you go.
Oh.
I passed 2. I'm working on number 3 right now.
I just realized we don't have any ground beef. Do you want to run to the store and get us some?
Sure.
I would order it, but they'll take forever on Uber Eats or Instacart.
Which store?
King Supers is fine.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for today.
Greg, amazing job today, bro.
Thank you. You too, man.
Have
See
a
you Monday.
Yep, I'll see you Monday.
Have a great week. Have a great week in Team Bull for me.
Yes, sir.
Bye-bye.
Triangles are my favorite. Playing those 2010 bangers right now. Yes. Yes, we are. I'm not so sure about shorts right now. It's not a no, but it's also not a hard yes. Why? Because of this candle, you can't really see it if you're on TikTok, but this candle right here is a little sketchy. All right, so the reason I liked shorts, and it's well, we'll see how this plays out, but why I liked shorts both times, and honestly, looking back, I should have just stayed more patient on my entries. The winning trade that I had, we had an aggressive move below our pre-market low and our 15-minute low. So when we come back up and retest this pre-market low area, I wasn't willing to wait for the candle closure because I had high conviction in this area being the lower high. So therefore, I tried the shorts in here. I keep an emergency stop 30 points above just in case we get some massive candle. I want to have my risk managed. Even in the worst case scenario, I want to have an emergency stop in as insurance, right? You hope you don't have to use it. You hope that it doesn't come to fruition, but you want to make sure that you have that risk managed just in case. And it also helps in a sense that when you put that emergency stop in and when you have that risk management in place, it also takes away any potential surprise losses. A big problem that you're having is that you consistently take trades, but you don't have any real risk plan in place. If you don't have in mind that you can lose $500 in a trade, then you lose $500, you're going to be very confused and frustrated and angry. You're going to be disorganized. You don't know your margins. You don't know your inventory, similar to a business owner. Versus if you manage your risk, like I saw here, we had this impulse candle. We had this zone here with this pre-market low. We take the shorts, manage risk, get a 1-to-1 to 1.5R trade down here from this move up, or this move down, excuse me. Everything is organized. You have to treat this like a business. Every transaction you make has risk. So when you look at it that way, and when you stop focusing on the wins, but only focusing on the losses, that's how you end up making good money and keeping the money you make. I trade key levels and price action. That is it. That's how you know the algorithm's working for us, guys, is when they start saying, I'm on here pushing a course. How many times in the last 3 months have I ever pushed my mentorship? This year, how many times have I been on live and been like, hey, I know this free trading is great, but you should pay me if you want to learn? Like, honestly, how many times for people that come every day? How many times have I ever said that once? I literally don't think I've ever said it one single time. Like, I literally don't think I've ever tried to advertise on here ever. Like, literally zero. I mean, I talk about my free masterclass. You know, you can come in here every day and learn for free. Yes, there is ways where if you'd like to invest in your education, you can, but I never sit here and advertise that, ever. Like, never. We just vibe. I do advertise that if you want to trade with prop firms, I appreciate you using code Jdun. I always say that they give me a small kickback. It means the world to me, and I'll always do my best to help you personally get funded and get paid out. I don't want you guys on props forever. I don't want you using my code forever, and I don't want you being stuck, leached onto prop firms. I want you guys using them for your own benefit, experience, and payouts, and then moving to a live account. Taking any more trades? Probably not. Hey, Jdun, I'm like 140 away from passing my account. Should I take a trade? This is a great question. It goes with evals and with fundeds. Because your initial response and your reaction is, yes, I should take a trade and get it today. But I want you to imagine this. If you force a trade and you go from 140 away to 500 away or blowing the account, how is that going to impact your confidence? How is that going to impact your conviction? And how is that going to impact your weekend? If you're like, oh, it's going to mess my weekend up, it's going to mess my confidence up, well, then just wait for your next good setup. You don't understand how many people I have seen get so close to getting funded or getting paid out and then just blowing it. A lot. Bang. Let's see. Damn, is this the movie at Tolo Day? Could be. We'll see how we hold this 100 area. No non-farm payrolls for us this week. That would have been the entry up there. Me calling miss calls. Who is calling me? All right. I got a question that I doubt many people will have any input on, but maybe someone will. I'm thinking about investing in a bunch of Bitcoin miners. Anyone have any input on that? I'm not talking a few $1,000s worth. I'm talking 6 figures worth of Bitcoin miners for tax purposes and because I believe in Bitcoin long term. What do y'all think? Not for my house, but for a warehouse. The thing is, I know the electric's insane, and I understand that, the hash rate changed, but you're still getting, for example, if you were to buy 16 miners right now, I was talking to my boy about it. I'd basically be getting like at the current terahash rate or whatever the heck it is, it'd be around like 5,000 ish worth of Bitcoin a month. Now, mind you, you have your electric bill and you have all the equipment. So you're basically betting on Bitcoin to go up massively long term, which I am. I don't have all the Bitcoin in the world, but I got more than 10 and less than 20. It's on cold storage for all you Bitcoin nerds out there. Don't worry. It's on cold storage. I'm down to I hope we get a bear market on Bitcoin. That's the thing is I hope we go down more. Gives people more chances to get in. I fully believe that we're going to be at $1 million plus one day. I always like to preface that by saying I'm a Bitcoin optimist. Like I believe in Bitcoin heavily long term. So you got to remember that too. Yeah, flooding might suck. You also get a full tax write-off. Just buy BTC, that too. I mean, you know what? Just you said that. I'm going to go buy some Bitcoin right now. I'm going to go buy, what's that, at 121? Oh, yeah, that's juicy. Let's go buy $1,000 for the Bitcoin right now, just for fun. Quick rack. Boom. $1,000 for the Bitcoin secured. In California. I'm down, AJ Sniper. I'd love to. I'd love that. Now it looks like we want to move up. We got that reversal on VPA. I wouldn't short this candle. And now I preface that again by saying we could absolutely, we could have the lower high for the day here and move down. But when we have high volume like you see here mixed with an aggressive candle right here above these two key levels, my bias goes to targeting the next key levels on the upside. Made 1,100 with Team Bull today. Time to... Who thinks they can call me? Yes, sir. What up? Just like 93.7. If they have it, it's not that big of a deal if it's not. But... it's like 2. Oh, cool. Let's do it. All right. Peace, bro. Bye. 93.7, baby. What did Graham say today? Grams was right again, guys. Do you guys realize that? Grams was right again. 5 for 5. Ended the week with a W. We killed it, guys. Mr. G, 11 under on the day, debating if I'm done or not. Bro, I swear, if you're up a rack on the day and you're not done, I'm gonna get up from my desk. I'm gonna put my boots on. I'll hike up all the way to the top of the hill if I have to. I'm gonna grab you, give you a nice, respectful slap on the face, take your monitor, throw it off the hill, and say, "Get your butt off the screen. Take your money and be done for the day." Come on. Discipline over dopamine. All right, guys. Well, actually, I'll wait till Gene gets home to get off. I was going to say I'm going to get off a little early today, but I'll wait till Gene gets back to the house. Wait till Gene gets back. As a reminder, too, guys, Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. It gets you payout protection and the best possible discount always. I don't live with, nope, I do not, Bloomington. Gene just comes over every morning. Gene comes over every single day and trades with me. He acts as my executive assistant and also my in-person mentee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And next week, next Friday, we are going to have live trading at the office for Team Bold members. So if you're in Colorado or you want to come to Colorado, we will be live trading at the office. Oh, you're down, Tyler. So if you want to come trade with me live in person and you'd like me to bully you into following your risk plan and trading with discipline, then it might be a move for you. It could very well be. Damn. How much capital can I invest as a beginner? I mean, you want to keep your capital investment to a minimum. Mobbing the Bentley smoking moon rocks. Mother effing pockets full of blue guap. Damn, I'm excited to post this. This is hard. think we're going to go higher right now. Unless we can break down and hold below that 100, I think we go higher. Pulling up to help with that. Yeah, I should unplug their computer if they don't follow the plan. Damn, let's go. Brandon thinks the stake's going to be on me today. Little does he know, it's still on him. Market trying to bait liquidity from the shorts. Real question is, Team Bull, how is everyone's week? How was everyone's week? How'd everyone do this week? How are we feeling? How are you feeling as far as execution? What's your weekly roundup? Finally funded, nice. Where can I learn about funded accounts? What questions do you have? I'll answer them. I got a few more minutes in the live, so I'm happy to answer them. If you're a beginner with them, I recommend you check out either Alpha Futures or you check out Tradeify's evals. If you're a semi-beginner, a little more experienced, or intermediate, and you want to scale, I like Apex. And the other ones, of course, too. And if you're worried about payouts, if you've seen horror stories, you can always use code Jdun, and that will get you not only a good discount, but payout protection. They'll see you use code Jdun, and I will be able to fight for you if anything comes up with your payout. I've done it for multiple people in Team Bull. I have contacts with all four of those firms, top C-suites. The boys got connections, to say the least. I will use them to fight for your payout. Just got my first payout. Week's been good. Glory to God. Nice job, Mike. Just blew my account when I was 300 from Express. I'm sorry. Jason, if you use code JDUN before, shoot me a message on IG. I can do my best to help bump your ticket. You're really the man, Jdun. Thank you. Right back at you. $50 away from passing 2 Alpha Combines from 2 days ago using your code. Alpha is okay, very similar to Top Step. Yep, that's awesome. Appreciate you, Ben. Appreciate you using code Jdun. It means the world. Thank you, bro. And I'm even happier that you're almost about to pass your account. If you like Top Step, you'll like Alpha Futures. Am I done for the day? Likely. I'm just waiting for Gene to get back here. It's like, why get off when Gene's not here? Yep, I still think NQ looks like a long too. Until we break down this 100 area, I like longs on NQ. On Alpha, you can choose Tradeovate or you can choose Project X. They're just like Top Step. I just want to thank you for coming on here live every day. I've learned so much from you. I enjoy your perspective on discipline over dopamine as a U.S. Marine veteran. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. That means the absolute world. Damn, man, it made me smile. Gonna make my cheeks hurt. Thank you for your service, too. God bless you. Thank you for your service. I'm not in longs. I'm not in anything. I'm just saying I understand the thesis for longs. Now, we might just go back and forth here. If we break down this 100, that changes. If we have a strong break of structure here, if you're on screen share, where's my drawing tool? Where's my channel line? There we go. We break down this and hold below here, we likely see a flush down. If you did want to go short, you'd go short in here and you'd keep stops above 30. So you have 25 points of risk, if that's what you like. I did take 2 trades. One was a small loser, and then one was a nice winner. This could end up being a wacky bear flag. I mean, I could see that. If we break below this structure and hold, it looks like we can get a nice move down. Hey, Gene's here. Let's go. Osmond, you don't want this smoke on the court, bro. You better bring ankle braces. None of y'all want this smoke on the court. I'll tell you that right now. I will tell you that right now. Oh, yeah, you laughing now. Just wait. You don't want that Jdun crossover. You do not want that Jdun pin off the backboard either. I got a 6'9" wingspan. You got to remember that. I'll Larry Bird on your butt. I was always a Kobe guy, but R.I.P. the GOAT, man. I still have his signed jersey in my office, too. I still have his number 8 signed jersey. You can see it if you're on TikTok. You can see it right there. Signed number 8 jersey. I'll show y'all on the YouTube too. Can see it in the back over there. Oh no, I'm 6'7", but I have a 6'9" wingspan. I'm technically 6'6" and like 3/4. I'm just below 6'7". I should be in the league though, huh? People always forget I'm 6'7". I'm almost 6'7". We round up. With a 6'9" wingspan, I'll dunk on that. Dunk on your ass. Say you never live. I didn't meet Kobe. My boy did. My boy met Kobe 3 times. You know what's cool is I have a basketball. I have a basketball in my office signed by Coach K and John Shire, the previous coach and current coach. From when I went to a Duke camp as a kid. Coach K, John Shire, and a few other players. Big basketball guy, if you can't tell. I have lots of sports memorabilia in my office. I got the basketball. I got a football signed by Cortland Sutton. Nothing crazy. Just I won it at an auction. I have a signed Jokic jersey. That actually I need to hang up. Where is that jersey? Here it is. Check this out. I gotta hang it up still. Signed Jokic jersey. Kind of dope. Maybe I'll do that today. I think I'm gonna hang that up today. I still believe in the long sit, so I've been telling y'all. Jdun, you low-key a funny A-wipe. I'm for the culture, man. I played basketball in Omaha growing up, Mazzy. So I listened to. I was for the culture, man. It's funny. I went to Lincoln East, which was not super diverse, but like when I'd play AAU ball in the summer. And I was literally like for 3 years, I was the only white boy on my team. We were cold, bro. We hooped. I miss those days. I'd always go up to Omaha to play AAU ball. Do I play in Vegas? What do you mean? We played AAU circuit in Vegas. If you're talking about gambling, then that too. Yep, we traveled to Chicago, Minnesota, St. Louis, all over, bro. Your boy could hoop. Don't get it twisted. Telling me, hold that 100 as long as you're going to pay. What's up, Gene? Yeah, literally, Mazzy, that was literally it. For years, for summer AAU. That's hilarious. Like the Kentucky squads. There's always that one. Like it was Tyler Harrow that one year. Yo, you're really hyping me up. Team Bull pickup game one day. Let's go. I'm with it. Got the green ground beef. Mr. Gene. Grass fed. All right, guys. I'm going to mob out for the day. One small loser to start. One nice winner afterwards. Got wicked out of that first loser, unfortunately. Otherwise, it would have been a massive, massive trade. So trade smart, trade safe. Please don't do anything dumb the rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend. We got the 3-day free masterclass coming up this coming Monday. So if you're not registered for that, make sure you guys tap in. If you guys would like access to the free Discord, make sure you guys tap in, send me a DM. And of course, if you want to rock with us inside Team Bowl Premium, that is always a massive benefit for you guys too, if you choose to do so. So, all right, Team Bowl family, I'm going to get out of here. Trade smart, trade safe. Love y'all. And I'll see you guys on Monday morning. All right. Peace. All right, guys, I'm out of here. TikTok, YouTube. If you guys have any questions, if you'd like access to my free Discord or free 3-day masterclass, send me a DM right now. Not in 10 minutes, not in an hour, right now on Instagram at Jdun Trades, and I will get you access before the day end. I'll make sure you have access to the free 3-day masterclass and the free Discord if you'd like. Jdun Trades on Instagram. Send me a DM, and I look forward to speaking with you. God bless y'all. Peace.